Hello everyone, this is Lolia from Sunglory. Welcome to our washing line factory. We are a professional manufacturer of cookware making machine. And as you can see, behind me this washing line is almost finished and clients will come to check for acceptance next week. Our washing line is for stainless steel and aluminum cookware degreasing after deep drawing. Let me show you how it works. We can also provide you non-stick coating line, anodizing line, powder coating line if you're interested in making rice cooker and non-stick cookware. So contact us on your own factory.